how to add YouTube link to your Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the YouTube application on your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now head over to the bottom right corner. There you will get your profile icon that says you. Tap on there. You will be taken to this interface. Now just under your profile name, you will get an option as view channel. Tap on there and again tap on three dot icon from the upper right corner. A drop down menu will pop up. From there, tap on share. Again tap on copy link. Now your YouTube link has been copied to clipboard. Now what you have to do is again open up the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon that you will find just below the home icon. Once you land on your profile page, now again tap on edit profile. Here scroll down all the way to the end and there you will get links, and along with that you will get an option as add. So tap on add. Now here tap on add social link. Again tap on platform. From there select YouTube. Now under the text field that says username, you can simply paste the link that you have copied recently. Here if you want to display your username only, then you can discard the other text. So simply delete the other text except your username. And after you do that, you can also customize your audience as well. If you tap on public from the upper right corner, there you can customize as public or friends or only me. And after you do that, simply tap on save option from the upper right corner and there your YouTube link will be copied to your profile, as you can see on this interface. And that's how you can add YouTube link to your Facebook profile. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.